In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to apply different rate codes and discounts to players on a table. We'll start by creating a new table. With this 9-foot table, we'll add 4 players. You'll see in the 4th column of the table, it's labeled Rate Code. Clicking on Player 1's rate code block, we'll add a $10 flat rate code. Player 3 the employee rate code, and Player 4 the senior rate code. We'll return so the table can start its timer. Clicking on the table again, we can see a discount is applied, and the discount amount on the 6th column from the right, with each discount being different for the various players. Going to close the table out, each player will have their discount applied and displayed in orange. Make sure to tune in and check out some of our other videos at definitivesynergy.com.